holiday in the United States for remembering the people who died while serving in the country's armed force. The holiday, in which is observed every year on the last Monday of May, was formerly known as Decoration Day and originated after the American Civil War to commemorate the Union and Confederate soldiers who died in the war. By the 20th century, Memorial Day had been extended to honor all Americans who died while in the military service. Memorial Day is not to be confused with Veterans Day. Memorial Day is a day of remembering the men and women who died while serving, while Veterans Day celebrates the service of the all U.S. military veterans.
We want to honor those who sacrificed for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.